Hey guys, welcome to another video, and what you have in front is the new Samsung Galaxy M31. In our hands is the new space black variant with up to 128 GB storage. This is the 128 GB storage variant, and we're going to quickly unbox the phone to see what you get in the box and look at the phone itself. This is the Galaxy M31. I'm just going to turn it on and set it aside to see what else you get in the box and let the phone do its magic meanwhile. Here you get the Samsung charger here. This is the charging adapter, and based on the spec sheet, this is the 15-watt fast charger that you get in the box. And this is the USB cable that goes along with it. It's a Type-C cable, and this is more or less the length of it. And the box is more or less empty apart from that. Here you have the instruction manual out here, which will tell you about your quick start guide, regional lock guide, and your warranty card, and you have a SIM card remover as well. There's no protective case as such with the box. Now let's quickly see what you get in the phone. The Samsung Galaxy M31 sports a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display. It's the Infinity U display that comes with a U-shaped dot notch on top and Full HD Plus resolution. Samsung claims that this has Wi-Fi L1 certification, so it should play all your online OTT content in HD quality at minimum. Now, it has the Exynos 9611 under the hood and offers up to 6 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage. Now, at the back, as you can see, there are 4 cameras that's led by a 64 megapixel primary camera. Then there's another 5 megapixel depth sensor, another 5 megapixel macro lens, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens with 123-degree field of view. Now on the front, on the dot notch itself, there's another 32 megapixel front camera with the capability to record 4K videos. Oh, the best thing about this phone is that it comes with a 6000 mAh battery inside. So that means that the battery life on the Galaxy M31 should be really good. We're expecting at least a 1.5 day worth of battery life even after heavy usage. That we're going to only find out after we use the device for a couple of days. But by the looks of it, the M31 does look like a pretty wholesome mid-ranger that might offer you all that you're looking for in your smartphone. So that's all more or less it about the Galaxy M31 out here. Thanks for watching.